In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to check if your passport photos is fit for the DV lottery program. Ensuring your passport photo meets the DV lottery program requirements is vital, as an incorrect photo can result in immediate disqualification. The photo is used for identity verification and must adhere to specific guidelines, such as size, background, and file format. To check your photo before entering the lottery, simply head to any browser. I will use Chrome for this case. In the search bar, type in DV Lottery Photo Checker. Now you will have to click onto this website. It's the official photo checker support by the U.S. Department of State Government. I will leave a link in this video description. On this page, click right here on Choose Photo. I assume you already have your photo in your PC files. Now once they send you such a notification that your photo doesn't need cropping, this clearly indicates that your photo is exactly what they need and it's fit for the lottery program. That's how easy it is to check for your diversity visa passport photo. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.